Have you ever felt stuck with a low credit score, watching lenders reject you or slap sky-high interest rates on everything? Just 6 months ago, my score was a painful 580, and I didn't have a single credit card to work with. But today, I've jumped to 750, and I did it without any credit cards, hacks, or shady tricks. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll break down the exact steps I took, step by step, to help you fix bad credit and finally take control of your financial future. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Pull your credit report. The first thing I did was pull my full credit report from all 3 bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can do this for free at annualcreditreport.com. It's legit and government approved. I wasn't guessing. I wanted to know exactly why my score was low. For me, there were 2 collections I didn't even realize were there. Lesson: you can't fix what you don't see. Step 2. Dispute errors. One account was incorrectly listed as unpaid, even though I had paid it off a year earlier. So I filed a dispute online, uploaded proof, and within 30 days it was removed. This one correction gave my score a boost of around 40 points. Disputing errors is one of the fastest ways to increase your credit score. Always double check. Even small errors can seriously hurt you. Step 3. Negotiate and pay off collections. For the remaining collections, I didn't just throw money at them. I called the agencies and asked for a pay for delete, which means I agreed to pay, and they agreed to remove the account from my report. Not every agency will say yes, but it worked for me. And the deletions gave another massive bump to my credit. You don't need a credit card to clean your history, just smart negotiation and follow through. Step 4. Get added as an authorized user. Here's where things got interesting. I asked a family member with good credit and a long account history to add me as an authorized user on one of their credit cards. I didn't use the card, I didn't even touch it. But their good history showed up on my report in less than 30 days, increasing my average age of accounts and improving my credit utilization ratio. This one move is underrated and completely legal. Step 5. Use a credit builder loan. Instead of getting a credit card, I took out a credit builder loan from a local credit union. It's basically a savings loan where you pay small amounts monthly, and when it's paid off, you get the money back. But here's the secret. Every payment you make gets reported to the credit bureaus. After 6 months of consistent payments, this step alone helped me build new, positive credit history, which is essential for long-term score growth. Step 6. Stay consistent and monitor weekly. Finally, I kept track of my score using free apps like Credit Karma and Experian. Even though they don't show FICO scores, they're great for tracking changes and staying motivated. By consistently following these habits and not missing a single payment, my score went from 580 to 750 in exactly 6 months. If this video helped you or inspired you to fix your own credit, don't forget to like this video and subscribe Finance Fusion for more real-life finance tips. I've got more videos coming on building wealth, managing money smartly, and staying debt-free, the real way. Thanks for watching, and remember, your credit is not your identity, it's just a score, and you can fix it.